Wow. Welcome to Cooking with Mon channel. Today I'm here to cook spicy seafood sauce. Welcome เจ้ามาลี
Yeah.
So
สวัสดีค่ะ
today I'm in เจ้ามาลี kitchen, เจ้ามาลี house here. So แต่เจ้ามาลีทำบ่อยไหมน้ำจิ้มซีฟู้ด
ทำบ่อย
ทำบ่อยนะ
ถ้าได้ปูต้มก็ทำ
โอ้
ปูต้มท
ได้ปูต้มทำได้กุ้งก็ทำ
ใช่
ได้ปลาหมึกก็ท
ใช่
ำได้ปลาก็ท
ำใช่
ำ How spicy you like มาลีชอบเผ็ดไหม
not
Not too spicy, but me, I love spicy. So the first ingredient we need to find in your house is the chili here. So in Thai we call
พ่อ
prik. Again, Mali, what we call in Thai again?
พริก
Prik. How many prik you want is up to you. Like Mali said, she doesn't like much spicy. She only put how many? ใส่กี่อันจ้ามาลีของจ้ามาลีปก
ผม
ติ
จะไม่ได้ใส่ทรี
ใส่ three chili, but me, I gonna dump everything in one go. Here we go. And followed by garlic. Okay, in Thai we go กระเทียม three garlic in ผักชี English go coriander. We not just use the whole stem, we also use the root of coriander. ไหนลองดม
หอม
Don't throw this away. Put them in. Here we go. Let's start now. You not just smash, you also dance and smash. Look at this. Now the garlic and chili and the coriander root already in, we gonna come with the flavor. Start with the sour from the lime. Squeeze the lime. Yeah! Squeeze and smile. Next ingredient is the sweet. We use the palm sugar. น้ำตาลปี๊บ You can't find the palm sugar at home. What to use? Just normal white or brown sugar. Just dump the palm sugar in. Mix nicely. The third ingredient you're gonna add is the
น้ำปลา
2 tablespoons again. Now we have sour, sweet, salty, and spicy. So the last ingredient we're gonna put the coriander. One coriander can use all. Don't waste it. Oh, the smell here. Let me taste here. Wow. Spicy, sour, sweet in them. One taste is missing is the salty. Add more. Go. Wow. This is the taste I'm looking for.
Let me go, let me say everything is not okay.
Spicy seafood sauce to go well with seafood here. What do you have? Crab?